A successful maintenance plan program is a great way to generate recurring revenue, build customer loyalty, and keep your schedule full. But manually tracking expiring contracts and reminding customers to renew takes valuable time. With automatic renewal reminders, WEX Field Service Management does the work for you. Customers are automatically notified when their maintenance plan is about to expire and can review, sign, and renew their contract with just a few clicks. The setup is quick and easy, so let's take a look at how to enable automatic renewal reminders in WEX FSM. To begin, navigate to More Applications, Maintenance Plans, add or edit a maintenance plan template, and scroll down to the Auto Send Renewal Reminders section. Hover over the eye to see details. When enabled, customers will receive an automatic reminder before their current maintenance plan expires. This will default to No. Tap Yes to enable auto reminders. Then, in the Reminder Lead Time section, select how many days before the plan expires you want the reminder sent. Now, select the payment schedule options you want available for your customer to choose. One time is used when the customer wants to pay for the maintenance contract all at once. The other options are payment plans. This will set the customer up on a recurring payment plan. These will be the payment options available when your customer is renewing. Fill out the rest of the maintenance contract and click Save Maintenance Plan. Now, when you sell this contract to a customer, the auto renewal reminder will trigger before the plan expires. Keep in mind, any updates made to a template will also bulk update any existing instances of that maintenance plan for your customers. WEX FSM comes preloaded with industry standard messaging for auto renewals, but you can customize that messaging to match your brand standards. Navigate to Settings, Call and Notifications, Email Notifications. Then click on the Maintenance Plans Renewal Request tab. You can choose to keep the messaging here or update the text box. A preview of what your customer will see is shown below. Once edits have been made, click Save. This is the message your customer will see when they receive the renewal reminder. From here, your customer will review maintenance plan details, start and end dates, contract terms, and total cost. Then they will choose how they want to pay and e-sign the contract to renew. Keep in mind, only the payment options selected in the maintenance plan template will appear on this page. One time, we'll send a single invoice for the entire contract. The customer will be able to pay that invoice, which will pay for the maintenance plan. All other options are payment plans: monthly, quarterly, and annually. They will add card or bank account info, and then it will charge them at the auto renewal interval. This will start charging on the first payment date. They will click Renew Maintenance Plan to submit the renewal. This will create a new maintenance plan in the system. A renewal invoice is created and added to the first service window job, and the invoice is automatically sent to the customer when applicable. To track auto renewals, navigate to Reporting, and click on the Maintenance Plan Customers Report. From here, you can toggle to Show Auto Renewals Only, then view the renewal status and last notification sent. Some of your maintenance plan customers will auto-renew, but if they decline or take no action, you can use the information here to follow up directly. If pending, you can click on the last notification to send a renewal reminder.